In this video, we're going to go through some trades here. So right here, we see that this is coming up on a resistance. So we're actually going to be selling right here. And we're going to see how this goes down. So right here, if this goes below this this red line right here, we're actually going to profit. If it goes above it, we're not going to profit. So right here, we just profited right there. It's a great profit right there. Great first trade. And now let's dive into a little bit more. Potentially if it goes down to this level or this level, it's maybe worth buying. Right now, it's not really doing anything. It's going down a little bit here. I wouldn't say it's super worth it to trade this more. So I'm gonna go to some other cryptocurrencies. And choosing the cryptocurrency and the right opportunity is really where the money is at. If you get the wrong opportunity, the wrong cryptocurrency at the wrong time, you're definitely not gonna profit any substantial amount. Here, things are going up a little bit very soon. Yeah, I would say it's almost just about time that this goes up. So, these things are just going up from MACD here. Things are turning green very soon on the momentum. So, I would buy. Okay, popping out very slowly. Let's see. Okay, goes to the green now. A little bit more green. It's really great to see. Okay, perfect. So more green, and more green. That's great. Okay, so we just got a great profit there. Potentially it might go up even a little bit more. So maybe doing a 5-second trade or something very similar to that at $100. 5-second trades are a lot more risky, I would say, but they can definitely be worth it if you know what you're doing. Here it's a little bit risky, definitely. So I wouldn't actually do it. I'd go back to 15 seconds. I'll just back up to 200. And let's go down Cardano. Bitcoin. Any opportunities there? Things might be turning downwards very soon. They kind of reached this high right here. It's kind of plateauing, and there's just some very subtle signs that it's going to go down very soon. You just don't know when. So right here, the momentum is going downwards. MACD is a little bit iffy. Dogecoin, same with this, very plateaued. It's at a key resistance level right here. It might break out upwards. If it breaks out upwards, then it might actually be worth the buy. But if it doesn't, which it most likely won't, then it's probably potentially even a sell. So kind of whichever way it goes, we can kind of try to profit off of that. See if it breaks out or not. I don't think it's going to break out. Okay, potentially. Especially if it goes down a little bit. Let's see. Hey, it's not breaking out. Looks like it's going downwards, actually. It's a sell. Downward spiral there. I'm guessing this is just the resistance level right here. So, it's very uncertain, but I was sure enough to put that trade there. It wasn't a win, but it's fine. So there, it's just kind of plateauing there. Not really sure if it's going to break out or fall back down. So it was a little bit of a risky trade. It's fine. Let's go to Polkadot. So resistance level right here. Things might be going down very soon. Things are going down right now, actually. Wait for it to go up a little bit first. So sell there. Perfect. Go downwards. Everything's going downwards. Perfect. Okay, that was a very strange event right there. So it's very atypical for something to go up that fast. But it's fine. We don't want to let emotions take control. Right here, you see Avalanche, nothing too big there. Ethereum potentially. See. Okay, so here, key resistance level right here. Hasn't really been able to surpass this. So it's probably going to be going down very shortly, as we see. And key resistance level right here. Okay, seems like it's doing a breakout potentially. So we didn't make a profit there. That's fine. So really, it comes down to probability of things. Like, how are the things moving? Here, it really just did look like there was a really strong resistance there. But here, it looks like it's going to be a breakout right here. So potentially we profit off the breakout. But doing a 5-second quick trade. And okay, so didn't make any profit there. That was just a neutral trade. It went back to the level. Here it's plateauing again. Potentially with this being the resistance. Yeah, nothing super big there. Let's see, things go downwards here quite a bit for Tron. So I wouldn't be surprised if it goes down a little bit more. Okay, downwards. Yeah, nothing too big here. I would skip. Cardano. Okay, momentum's going up a little bit potentially. A little bit uncertain. Momentum's still red. Bitcoin. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is doing very well. It's up quite a bit. Huge rally. Huge rally. Yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, nothing really you can do here. This is just very risky at this peak right here. It's at the all-time high kind of right here. At this interval at least. And yeah, I mean, it could potentially be worth a small scalp. These things are just so green here. But it's kind of just risky to do something like this. Actually, a small trade upwards. It goes down a little bit. Or things might be turning down here very soon. It's MACD. I might do a crossover like right here. The crossover went down a little bit and then went back up. Yeah, so when it is a crossover downwards, there's a chance that it'll go down. So better chance that it'll go down than if it doesn't, right? So yeah, right here, I wouldn't trust anything too deep. Here, there might be something happening actually. Momentum's turning red, right? Things are going downwards. Red. Things are turning red here. So I'm gonna wait for it to go down a little bit first before doing a south. I'm actually gonna up the stakes here a little bit to 500. Potentially go do a sell if things are correctly aligned. So here things are bounced back up. That's why I didn't buy immediately. It's really good to wait sometimes, just a little bit, to see where the market moves. And they kind of just want to piggyback off that, right, for the momentum. Concoin. Nothing too big there. Chainlink. Argano. Yeah, it's just pretty dry now. It's pretty dry now. So might end our trade session off a little bit early, but right here, like potentially It's doing another breakout, maybe. But that's a very maybe. Is the about the array here. Let's see. Yeah, it's roughly around this level. So it could be going down. It surpasses this level substantially. Might be worth buying. But other than that, I would probably sell this potentially. Just because things are going down a little bit here. Okay. So it's fairly solid on the downwards, most likely. Okay. Perfect. Goes down quite a bit. See, it's the resistance level right here. And voila, our biggest win of the day. So we're gonna end it off with that. And overall, if you want to get 50% off your first deposit on Polkadot, go to bcoin.net. That's bcoin.net right here. And all you have to do is click Polkadot, enter this promo code VLX094, and you'll get 50% off your first deposit. All you have to do is just go to bcoin.net, click this button right here. And you can also see a bunch of cryptocurrency forecasts, everything like that on bcoin.net. So you can actually go to Bitcoin, for example, and you can see all of the forecast data and everything inside of this. See the prediction price and graphs, all of this information right here. Happy trade.